If your tower fan sounds like it's struggling or the breeze feels weak, it's already overdue for a cleaning. For most people, a quick once over every 2 months is enough, but if you're living with a shedding dog or have bad allergies, you'll probably want to clean it every 2 weeks just to keep it from circulating musty air. So first, unplug the unit, then grab a vacuum with a brush attachment and start by vacuuming the vents to pull out all that surface dust. If you don't have a brush attachment, a dry paintbrush works just as well. Use it to loosen debris while holding the vacuum hose close so it sucks up the dust as you go. For a surface clean, that might be enough. But if your fan has been neglected, vacuuming the outside just won't cut it. You'll need to get deeper. So, go check your manual first. Some fans, like certain Lasco or Vornado models, aren't meant to be opened, and doing so voids your warranty. If you own one of those, there's a workaround. Blow compressed air into the front vents, then immediately vacuum the rear vents to pull the loosened dust out. For fans that can be disassembled, access the back and look for the screws, usually near the top control panel and along the bottom. Remove them and keep them somewhere safe. When pulling the casing apart, please go slowly. The plastic tabs at the bottom break easily if you force them. Now, once you're inside, use compressed air to blow dust off the blades, but aim diagonally. Shooting air straight into the motor can push dust deeper into the bearings. Then, vacuum the blades to pick up any loosened dust, or sweep them with a soft brush. For those tight corners, I like to wrap a cloth around a chopstick or use a cotton bud. It's a simple hack for spots nothing else can reach. If there's stubborn grime, wipe with a slightly damp cloth. Just please keep it away from the motor and the wires. And definitely do not use bleach. That's the fastest way to damage your fan's finish and its components. Before you reassemble, make sure everything is completely dry. When screwing the casing back on, please don't over-tighten. It's way too easy to crack the plastic if you do. Once everything is back together, just plug your fan in and let it run for a few minutes to clear out any dust you might have missed.